Now, let's move on to two films that have brought honor to the country and proudly raised the Philippine flag on the global film stages. To introduce the second Parangal ng Sining Annual Achievement Awardee for 2025, please welcome renowned showbiz journalist, magazine editor, and respected film critic, Mr. Butch Francisco.
Thank you, Isadora. I missed you. Anyway, I came here tonight to talk about rhythmic gymnastics. I know this is a film event, but I'll be able to justify that in a while. Rhythmic gymnastics is not a very popular sport in the Philippines, but Filipinos should embrace it and even celebrate it for at least two reasons. First, we should celebrate the double victory of Carlos Yulo in the 2024 Paris Olympics. And second, and this is where I connect this to cinema, is the victory of the movie Sunshine at the 2025 Berlin Film Festival, where it won the Crystal Bear Youth Jury for Best Film. Sunshine is about a young Pinay gymnast, as brilliantly portrayed by Maris Racal, won not just the recognition of an international jury, but also the hearts of a global audience. And here she is, Sunshine.
Next, Jimmy. Sunshine Francisco from the floor.
With its world premiere at the 2024 Toronto Film Festival and a previous screening at the Palm Springs Film Festival, this compelling story follows a young Filipina gymnast who has spent her life training to make it to the national team. When she discovers she's pregnant, she grapples with the decision to consider abortion in order to secure her future. The film explores the challenges women face in a predominantly Catholic and conservative society, offering a perspective rooted in the experiences of today's youth. At its European premiere in the 2025 Berlinale's Generation 14 Plus section, Sunshine won the prestigious Crystal Bear for Best Film on February 21, 2025. The jury described the film as deeply moving, yet not exaggerated, noting that its emotional impact lingers long after the credits roll.
Hindi lang siya karangalan for me or the team of Sunshine, pero yun, para siya sa Pilipinas talaga eh. Parang yung ganito kaliit na parang hawak mo talaga yung bandera ng Pilipinas. Pag nanalo ka for your film, it's not just for your film, but for your country.
Doon ko na naramdaman yung challenge. Bukod sa bigat na ng storya, sa powerful na message that it holds, the physical aspect that was needed from me for the script was very, very challenging also for me. Like, I was super inspired and I really came home with a very full heart. And, you know, I also felt that us Filipinos, Filipino filmmakers, Filipino writers and storytellers, we have a huge chance out there. Kailangan lang talaga ng suporta. Hindi lang sa labas, kundi mismo sa bansa natin.
Films not only reflect society, but they also shine a light on the social and political issues facing today's youth. And in that regard, Sunshine delivers this message brilliantly.
The 2025 Parangal ng Sining Annual Achievement is given to Anima Studios, Project 8 Pictures, Cloudy Duck Pictures, Happy Infinite Productions, and Antoinette Hadaunes' Sunshine.
To accept the Gawad Lente are producers Gio Lomuntad and Claudia Coanco, and one of the stars of the film, Anika Ko.
Maglalabas ako ng kode ko kasi Hindi ako dapat yung nandito eh. Dapat si Derek eh. Kaso, ngayon papunta siya ng Canada for another film festival. So, ayun. Ako yung meron kayo ngayong gabi. So, maraming salamat FTCP sa pagkilala sa Sunshine. Yung mga pagkilalang gaya nito ang isa sa mga nagbibigay ng fulfillment sa aming mga producers kasi parang okay, may ginagawa kaming tama. Kaya thank you FDCP sa mga ganitong recognition para sa Sunshine. Malaking push yung mga ganitong recognitions para ituloy namin yung paggawa ng mga pelikula. Pero syempre, sana kumita pa rin kami. At sana yung Sunshine ay maipalabas dito sa Pilipinas. Ano po. Ayun, maraming salamat sa mga kakampi ko, sa mga artista namin, kay Direk Tonet, sa mga co-producers ko, kay Dan Villegas, kay Bianca Balbuena, kay Claudia Diaz Coanco, kay Grace Maria Lisais. Kasi sobrang hirap makahanap ng mga co-producers na susugal sa pelikula mo gaya ng Sunshine na maraming gustong sabihin. At ayun, kaya salamat sa mga ganitong klaseng kakampi at salamat din sa mga artista namin, sina Maris, sina Cyril, sina Elijah, sina Meryl, sina Jenica, si Miss Angeli Bayani at si Anika, mga kakampi namin for life. At sana makatrabaho pa namin sila sa mga susunod na pelikula. At salamat ulit sa FDCP kasi hindi lang sa ganitong mga awards nila kami sinuportahan. Simula development pa lang sa pagdadala namin sa Sunshine sa Busan Asian Film School at sa production grant na binigay nila sa amin sa Create PH, sobrang laking tulong ng ibinigay ng FDCP. Kaya thank you so much po. At itong Sunshine ay para sa mga batang babaeng pinagkakaitan ng mga pangarap nila at sa mga atletang Pilipino na sana hindi lang tuwing nananalo natin sinusuportahan. At para sa mga taong gusto lang mangarap at sana sa susunod na mga taon ay maipasa na ang Prevention for Adolescent Pregnancy Bill. Sana po. At sa mga nagtatanong po kung kailan ipapalabas ang Sunshine, abang-abang lang po tayo this year. Ayun po. So, maraming salamat po. At may sasabihin ng aming child actress, si Anika. Siya yung isa sa mga lead actors namin alongside Maris.
First of all, I would like to thank FDCP, and we are very honored to receive this award tonight. And we share this award to everyone who fights for stories like Sunshine's to be heard. Maraming salamat po.
Muli, congratulations to Sunshine, Direk Antoinette Hadaone, at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng produksyon, sa lahat ng gumawa ang parte ng maganda at meaningful, impactful na pelikulang ito.